Spiced apple cake with brown butter icing. First up, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then line the base and sides of a 20cm square pan with baking paper. To make the cake, melt butter in a small saucepan over medium heat. Keep stirring about 2 minutes or until the butter is golden brown. Set aside to cool slightly. Add brown sugar, caster sugar, apple sauce, and egg. Whisk to combine. Place flour, bicarb soda, cinnamon and salt in a large bowl. Add the apple sauce mixture and stir until just combined. Spoon the cake mixture into the pan and smooth the surface. Pop the cake in the oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. To test that the cake is cooked, insert a skewer into the centre of the cake. It should come out clean. Cool the cake in the pan for about 10 minutes, then use the paper to lift it out onto a wire rack to cool completely. For the brown butter icing, melt more butter in a small saucepan over medium heat. Stir for 3 minutes or until the butter is golden brown. Pour into a heatproof bowl and pop in the fridge for 1 hour. When the butter is firm, beat it with an electric mixer until it's very pale. Gradually add icing sugar, beating well after each addition. Keep beating for about 4 minutes or until the icing is pale and fluffy. Place the cake on a serving plate and spread the brown butter icing over the top. Then cut it into pieces and drizzle with caramel sauce. This beautiful spiced apple cake with brown butter icing is easy to whip up using basic ingredients from your fridge and pantry. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more baking recipe ideas, head to our baking playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.